Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're trying the MACKAGE Freya hooded down puffer jacket. Now I've seen quite a lot of this brand, especially in a few brick and mortar stores that have begun popping up, especially kind of adjacent to Canada Goose. So that is how I am reviewing this jacket, kind of in relation to that type of parka. More of a everyday, but maybe a little bit more stylish parka. Now, if I think of the other brands that are in this category, I think of Canada Goose, of course, I think of Manteux, and more increasingly, I've been thinking of MACKAGE, maybe because of those brick and mortar, so good placement on their side. Now, I have not tried on any of these jackets before, so this is really my first impression. I was excited to see all of the detailing. There are a lot of kind of next level details like these, I don't know if they're leather, but kind of lining details where the buttons are. They have their MACKAGE logo on the, I believe these are called anglets when they're at the end of either a shoestring. I'm not sure if it's the same here on this tie. And they have their brand as well on the zippers. On the inside, it's kind of the same, for lack of better words, garbage bag type of shiny puffer material that you'll find with like a Moncler. And all throughout, you'll see kind of additional detailings like the MACKAGE logo on the hood. You have another MACKAGE logo on the left chest. There's another little leather detailing. I imagine to put this on a coat hook. So overall, it looks like it's a very well-made jacket. Once I tried this on, I think the quality was confirmed for me. I did really like the feel of the coat. It felt like it was kind of inflated, like the down was very full. It felt really warm. It felt pretty puffy. The one thing I was not sure about is the silhouette. So it did feel very puffy. I don't know if this was necessarily my size, but it felt like my size. Overall, I felt like the silhouette was a little bit too large for my liking. But that being said, the additional details like the waist cinch made this overall large volume puffer a little bit more slim fitting, so I did appreciate that thought. Now I can definitely see this vibe being appropriate for maybe like a ski weekend or a moment where you don't want to be as kind of streetwear as Canada Goose nods to. So in that regard, I really did like this jacket. One last little detail I do want to point out is that the pockets are actually fleece lined, so the pockets were a lot nicer than my Canada Goose parka. Overall, I'll say not a hit, not a miss. I wasn't yearning to take this one home with me, so that could be a telltale sign, but let me know in the comments below if you liked it, if you have one of these coats, how it holds up in the cold, if you think this is a hit or a miss. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.